what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Hi guys, this is Shwetan from Varanasi again, and people also call me Monu. And I'm gonna eat today the tomato chaat, which I mostly eat when I go to this shop. And I'm going to bring you to this shop, this side over there. You can see that how many people are eating right there. So I'm just moving the camera closer. भैया टमाटर बना हुआ ताजा वाला एकदम बढ़िया
अभी बने ली भैया 2 मिनट समय का
ठीक हो
हो जाएगा
टमाटर तीन प्लेट हाँ So there we have some tomato or tomato.
बना लीजिए चार चाट
So we have got some tomatoes there. They are being fried. And there is some aloo tikki also on the right hand side. Some more tomatoes.
चार होता ही बाबू क्यों क्या क्या मीठा मीठा बनाना है
So meanwhile, the tomato is being cooked.
भैया चार बोले ना
I'm just gonna show you the shop. So it's a street food, or it is well known as street food of India. And if you want to come to this shop, you have to come through Vishnath Gali that way, or either from Godolia the other way, which is main road. And this is how the street looks like, the alleyway here. So it's hard to find, but once you find it, you get the right taste here. And if you don't find it, you can also give a shout to me. And there are some aloo tikki. And there is some coriander, some green chili, ginger, spices. Some salt, some spices going on through. There are the golgappes or pani puri we call it. We have got some chole there with lemon. And there are some mashed potatoes in it. More mashed potatoes.
बोला बहुत बड़ा रहा ना
So it's almost ready.
आपको क्या लेना
Some more chickpeas, chole inside.
भैया थोड़ा पलट लेंगे आप पलट लेंगे नाराज मत होइएगा तीनों में भैया
And there's some chutney, some spice water. Ikaral jeera,
ये गरम मसाला
garam masala, coriander. It's a mix of flavor.
पानी है वो
And there are some cups here which are being prepared for the tomato chaat. So I have ordered for 3 pieces. Probably one is for someone else. Almost there.
हो गए एक दही पाओ इसमें बड़ी
So there you go in the cup. Some ghee on the top. Some chutney, sweet one. Some yogurt, dahi, or you can call it curd. Some crackers, namak para on the top. Some coriander, dhania, and there we go. Our tomato chaat is ready. So now we are going to eat it and let you guys know how it tastes like. So So guys, I have got my tomato chaat and this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna eat it and show you. Actually, I cannot show you the taste, but I can still just tell you that it is good. So if you guys are coming to Varanasi and you want something, local street food or experience something different from what everyone brings you to, please, you must come here to this shop. Again, I can show you from here, right here. You can see how many people are eating right here. So it's a street food. They don't have any shops, but you can still come and enjoy it. So I will just give you one bite here, and then I will actually enjoy my tomato chaat and see you in the next video. Bye bye.